Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today I am here to discuss on the topic partnership. So, before I begin the discussion, let me connect you to the partnership in the natural environment. So, here the first question arises in the first look where we can see the partners. It's an easy question and we must be aware of it. So, the natural answer comes here. Look at your home. So called husband and wife or mother and father are the partners at our home because they run the family, they run the house jointly. Here we can understand easily that partnership is a job, work, or deal wherein two or more than two people are involved. Once the people are involved, there has to be some sort of financial investment and time investment also. So, here in the partnership, we can understand this partnership in Hindi as साझा और साझेदारी और हिस्सेदारी और भागीदारी. But partnership is actually part ownership. Part ownership because the investor is the owner of the part. Here, the partners are of two type, that is working partner and sleeping partner. If we talk of working partner is the partner who invests his capital for some time slot as well as his physical involvement is also there. We can say capital investment plus time plus man hours means he is physically working here. In the working partner, all the three things are available. Whereas in sleeping partner, capital investment plus time investment, only two things are there. But man hours are not there because here the partner is not physically working. So this is very important for the question purpose because many a time it is mentioned that so and so is sleeping partner and so is working partner. So for the sake of this, if the partner is working, so for this working partner who is giving his man hours, certainly we have to pay him salary in the form of monthly basis, yearly basis, or total percentage part profit. Additionally, similarly, if we talk about partnership, partnership is also of two types: simple and compound. Under the simple partnership, investment is carried out for the same time, whereas in the compound partnership, investment is for the different time slots. Also, in the simple partnership, investment amounts may be simple, means same, but here investment amounts may be different. So the thing to observe is here, investment amount may be same for all the partners. Investment amount may be different for the all partners. Also, time slot may be same or different time slots. In the involvement of partnership, what we can observe, investors can join or leave in between. पार्टनरशिप में जो इन्वेस्टर हैं वो बीच में अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट छोड़ भी सकते हैं और जोड़ भी सकते हैं, मीन्स दे कैन एडिशनली इन्वेस्ट और दे कैन विड्रॉ द इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट वेयर एवर दे विश. सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्टनरशिप कॉन्सेप्ट much better, let us focus on the mutual fund market and share market. Here, this is the mutual fund market. In the mutual fund market, there are so many investors. And there is one fund manager. If we talk about mutual fund, so many investors are there who have invested their money for the different time slots. But this whole capital is managed by a fund manager. So here, all the investors are under the category of sleeping partners, whereas this fund manager is acting as a working partner. So, in the investment process, whatever the process is being generated, whatever the profit is generated, from that profit, the salary and overhead expenditures has to be deducted first and leftover profit shall be distributed among the investors. यहाँ हम कह सकते हैं कि म्यूचुअल फंड मार्केट के केस में जो भी फायदा होता है उस फायदे में से पहले फंड मैनेजर की सैलरी और जो ओवरहेड एक्सपेंडिचर्स होते हैं वो निकालने के बाद जो प्रॉफिट बचता है वही इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेबल होगा. ऑल्सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट शेयर मार्केट, in the share market also, there are various investors. VI means various investors who have invested their capital for the varied time slots. But all the varied investors are directly responsible for the profit of or loss invested by the investors. Means शेयर मार्केट में जो पैसा लगाया गया है पार्टनर्स द्वारा उसके लाभ और हानि के लिए ये लोग डायरेक्टली ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, जिम्मेदार हैं, क्योंकि इसमें डायरेक्ट इन्वॉल्वमेंट है. मीन्स दे आर एक्टिंग एज वर्किंग पार्टनर. They will give their time. So, the profit is directly having a bearing. Also, In the partnership discussion, we should know that partnership requires capital investment, time. Also, what it requires, as I said, man hours. But if we think this capital as our left hand and we think the time as right hand, now if we bring these things together and say namaste, it will become left hand and right hand, means both the hands will come together here. And by doing so, we can easily say that if we say namaste, it will give the point profit to us or loss to us. Means the capital investment multiplied by the time slot will give us P for profit or loss, which is directly having a bearing with the investor. जो लागत लगाए हुए लोग हैं उनके द्वारा लगाई गई धनराशि और समय का आपस में मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना, प्रोडक्ट करना हमको प्रॉफिट या लॉस का रेशियो प्रोवाइड करेगा. इफ वी थिंक दैट देयर आर टू मैन A and B and A has invested 1000 rupees and B has invested 1500 rupees, 1000 and 1500 rupees for a year, एक साल के लिए, then what will be the profit ratio? So here first of all we will focus the common factor. Two zeros are already common, so it will be omitted in the initial step. Now leftover is 10 and 15. So 10 and 15 are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So profit ratio is 2:3 here. This is the easy concept to understand the profit or loss. At the same time, let us understand one more concept also here. Once we say profit and investment and time are said to be profit, then we can say investment amount is equal to profit upon time, or we can say time is equal to profit upon investment. Now what we observe here? We observe here this P is a constant value both the places. Once this profit is constant both the places, but what we observe here, investment amount and time are diagonally matching to each other, here also, here also. It shows that the ratio of investment amount and time is inversely proportional to each other. In easy language we can say, यदि हम धनराशियों के अनुपात को उल्टा कर दें तो हमको समय का अनुपात मिल जाएगा, और समय के अनुपात को अगर हम उल्टा कर दें तो हमें लगाई गई धनराशियों का अनुपात मिल जाएगा. We are discussing all these points very deeply because these points will be required while we will solving the questions. To better understand the things, here I have taken an example. So let us read it. A, B and C invested their capitals in the ratio of 2:3:5. the ratio of months for which A, B and C invested is 4:2:3. If C gets a share of profit which is 1,47,000 more than that of A, then B's share of profit is what? यहां पर कहा गया है कि A, B और C ने 2:3:5 के अनुपात में अपनी धनराशि लगाई और उन्होंने 4:2:3 के अनुपात में महीने के हिसाब से लगाया। यदि C का हिस्सा A के हिस्से से 1,47,000 ज़्यादा है तो B का हिस्सा प्रॉफिट में कितना है, ये पूछा गया है। This question is being asked in the SSC CGL examination. So it becomes more important to understand. So let us see this question, how we can solve it easily. Let us look at here. 2:3:5. This is the capital investment ratio I. And here is the टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट। टाइम मीन्स कितने महीनों के लिए पैसा लगाया है। अभी वी डिस्कस्ड दैट इफ वी से नमस्ते इट गिव्स अस प्रॉफिट रेशियो। सो बाय डूइंग सो हियर ओनली डायरेक्ट वी कैन कैलकुलेट 4×2=8, रेशियो 3×2=6, रेशियो 5×3=15. Here is the profit ratio. This is the one-click profit ratio that we have find out. Now, as is being said in the question, C gets means this is the profit part of A, this is of B, and this is of C. So C gets 15 units. Which is 1,47,000 more than that of A. A's share is 8 units. So 8x plus 1,47,000. Now on transposing 15x minus 8x gives us 1,47,000. So difference of this is 7x equal to 1,47,000. So x यानी 1 unit is equal to 21,000. Now B's share is asked. So B's share is this 6 units means 6x equal to 6 into 21,000 which is equal to 1,26,000. This is the one click answer. Here itself we will calculate and we will find the profit ratio directly. We will put the values. This calculation also we have shown but need not to shown in the examination. So let us see next question. Here is the second example which has been taken, and this is the question which has also been asked in the SSC CGL examination 2002. So again it becomes an important to understand it better. Here A, B and C took a field on rent for grazing their oxes. A, B, C यानी 3 लोगों ने मिलकर अपने बैलों को चराने के लिए एक खेत भाड़े पर लिया। A grazed 10 oxes for 7 months, B grazed 12 oxes for 5 months, C grazed 15 oxes for 3 months. If rent of the field is rupees 175, then C has to pay how much rent? A ने 10 बैलों को 7 महीने तक चराया, B ने 12 बैलों को 5 महीने तक चराया, C ने 15 बैलों को 3 महीने चराया। यदि खेत का भाड़ा 175 रुपये है तो C को अपने हिस्से का कितना भाड़ा पे करना पड़ेगा, ये इसमें पूछा गया है। Here 3 people are there, A, B, C. Things are mentioned clearly. 10 oxes will work here as capital investment. So this will be 10 into time 7 months, here 12 into 5, 15 into 3. Now we can see if there is any common here by which we can divide these numbers. So we can divide all the numbers by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 1, and 5 3s are 15. So by doing so, we can write it 7 2s are 14, and 12 1s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. So this becomes the ratio of rent payable. If we add this 14, 12, 26, 26, 9, 35 units, and this 35 units is equal to 175 rupees. So 1 unit of this is equal to 5. Now C has to pay how much? So the C rent payable units are 9. Accordingly, 9 units are equal to 5 into 9 equal to 45 rupees. This is the one-click answer for this question. Here is the question which we have taken next, and this question is also being asked in the SSC CGL examination in the earlier years. So let us see this question also. If two partners started a business by investing rupees 9,000 and 10,500, if the total profit was of rupees 6,500, then second man's share of profit is what? इसमें पूछा गया है कि दो लोगों ने मिलकर 9,000 और 10,500 रुपये लगाकर एक व्यवसाय को शुरू किया, और यदि 6,500 रुपये का कुल लाभ हुआ तो दूसरे आदमी का लाभ में कितना हिस्सा है? सो इट्स वेरी इजी. सी द कॉमन हियर. नाउ 2 zeros are common here and 2 zeros are common here. So left is 90 and 105. This 90 is divisible by 15 6 times, and this is divisible by 7 times. So the profit ratio comes 6:7. This is the profit ratio. Now these profit units are equal to this amount. 6 and 7, 13 units. 13 units are equal to 6,500 rupees. So 1 unit is equal to 500 rupees. Now second man's share means 7 units. 7 units are equal to 7 into 500 equal to 3,500 rupees. This is the answer. Second man's share 3,500 rupees. That way we can click the questions very fast. Here is the next question taken, and how we can solve this question quickly. Let us see. 3 people started a business by investing rupees 1,000, 1,500 and 2,000. If the profit was of rupees 450, then what is the share of A in profit? कहा गया है कि 3 लोगों ने 1,000 रुपये, 1,500 रुपये और 2,000 रुपये लगाकर एक व्यवसाय शुरू किया. यदि लाभ 450 रुपये था तो इस लाभ में ए का हिस्सा कितना है, ये पूछा गया है. सो हियर वी कैन सी द कॉमन 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Leave it. Now what is left? 10, 15, 20. And these are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So profit ratio is readily available. 2:3:4. This is the profit ratio. Now this Profit units are equal to 450 rupees. So 437 plus 2, 9. 9 units are equal to 450 and 1 unit is equal to 50 rupees. Asked A's profit means 2 units. So A's share in profit is of 100 rupees. Here is the next question which we have taken to discuss, and this is question which has been asked in the railway recruitment examination. So let us discuss. A, B and C started a business by investing the amounts in the ratio of 3:4:5. After 6 months, C withdraws 50% of invested amount. If amount invested by A was 27,000 and at the year end profit was of rupees 86,000, then what is the difference between A and C's share? इस सवाल में कहा गया है कि A, B, C 3 लोग हैं जिन्होंने 3:4:5 में धनराशि लगाकर व्यवसाय शुरू किया। 6 महीने के बाद सी ने अपने लगाई गई धनराशि का 50% यानी कि आधा हिस्सा निकाल लिया। ए के द्वारा लगाई गई धनराशि 27,000 थी और साल के अंत में 86,000 रुपये का लाभ हुआ। तो ए और सी के लाभ के बीच में क्या अंतर है, ये पूछा गया है। सो लेट अस सी दिस क्वेश्चन। 3 people A, B, C invested their amounts in the ratio of 3:4:5. After 6 months, C withdraws 50% of the invested amount. Here, notable point is that only C has withdrawn 50% of the invested amount. Means here time is of 6 months for the complete sum plus half of 5, 2.5 into again 6 months. And for the leftover time is of 12 months because he is talking at the year end. Means investment was for the complete year. So now you have to bring the time slot in the same formation, that is in the months. महीनों में लाना है हमको यहाँ पर. Here we have to see the common divisor which can divide all these things. So we can see 6 is readily available here. If we divide this thing, here we can take 6 as common. Here we can divide 12 by 6 2 times. Here also by 2 times. So by doing so, here we will get 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8 and 7.5. So this is the profit ratio. This is the profit ratio. Now it has been said profit 86,000. Now this 27,000 is not required right now. So we will see here 21.5 units are equal to 86,000. Now we can write it 43 by 2 units equal to 86,000. This 43 will divide this 86 2 times. So it will be left as 2000. Now X unit is equal to, this will multiply this in cross multiplication. So it will be 4,000. Now we have to check what is the difference between A and C's share. So A's share is 6 units and C's share is 7.5 units. So So difference between the shares is of 1.5 unit. 1.5 units are equal to 1.5 into unit value 4000. So it is very easy to understand 4 dot 6000. दिस इज द आंसर. यहां पर हमने देखा कि 4000 का 1.5 गुना 6000 रुपये, ये आंसर आ गया. यही अंतर है और यही हमसे पूछा गया है. सो दिस थिंग हैज गॉट नो मीनिंग हियर. सो इन टुडेज क्लास we conclude our discussion here itself. In the time ahead, we will brought forward the best contents which are oftenly a part of today's online examination. So let us look forward to be available with the second part of this portion also. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with us. धन्यवाद.